welcome to this three-part series on my creative process for the design you see on the screen. This project was for an assignment in my photography and intermediate design class at Elon University, and you can see most of my work through my live stream video on this same channel. I have to warn you though, the video is pretty boring. I ran into some issues with OBS and voice recording, as well as with the pop-up menus inside of Adobe Illustrator, so a lot of the steps will be vague on that video, but that's why I'm making this three-part series. In this series, I'm going to talk about the creation of each of the main elements in my project: the polyart face and cityscape, the tree of life, and the mandala. I'll be going into some of the slightly more advanced aspects of Adobe Illustrator, as well as using my iPad Pro and Adobe Draw, which is basically a lighter version of the Adobe Illustrator, optimized to run on the iPad Pro and accept input from the Apple Pencil. Now don't worry, you don't need an iPad or Apple Pencil to get the results I get. I use these tools simply because they allow me to connect more directly with my art through the pen-on-paper type quality of actually holding the instrument as opposed to using a mouse. You can achieve the same results with a mouse and more time. So if anyone has viewed or plans on viewing the live stream video of this project, there will be some differences in my approach to the series compared to how I actually went about the project. This is because after I work through a project, I like to sit down and think about my workflow and develop ways to optimize my time on a given project. This series will display the results of that process, and hopefully those of you watching will be able to learn a few things about developing workflows that give you the most from your time. Thank you for watching.